Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest opportunities and career tips. So, if you're a fresher or someone looking to start your IT career in a top MNC, then stop scrolling right now because CGI is hiring apprentice, especially for freshers 24, 25 pass outs, or even if you're a 26 pass outs and if your quality allow you to, work as full-time as apprentice, then you are eligible for this opportunity. So, yeah, this is a full-time opportunity and it's a great entry point into the IT industry. And let's understand a little bit about the company before diving into the responsibilities and roles. So CGI is one of the largest IT and business consulting company in the world, which was founded in 1976 and operating across the multiple countries. At CGI, employees are called partners because they believe in ownership, growth, and long-term careers. So let's have the role details now. Sorry. The role is of apprentice associate software engineer based out of Bangalore, India, and you will be responsible for supporting and maintenance of applications, which is very solid starting role for freshers entering software IT support. So now let's discuss the skills required for this opportunity. So the key skills they are looking for it's analytical skills. So if you enjoy problem solving, understanding how the system works, this role is for you. Now let's understand why you should apply for this opportunity. As you can see, they have mentioned, and so you will be, responsible for supporting the maintenance application. So that will give you a great exposure. So that is also one reason. And the other thing is that from day one, CGI will treat you as a honor and. You won't be just an employee at CGI because they believe in providing, giving the equal ownership opportunity to the employees. Plus, they also focus heavily on the work-life balance, health, and skill development and personal development as well. So this is one of the big reason. And let's have a quick summary about the role. So the role is, as I mentioned, is apprentice. Location is Bangalore, and it's a full-time opportunity. And company CGA. And it's best for freshers and early career candidates only because since it's apprentice role, so people with experience might not prefer it. So it's obvious for that it's for freshers. And yeah, that's it for this opportunity. Then if you are serious about starting your career with a top MNC, then don't miss this opportunity. I have mentioned a direct link for this job into the description. So go check it out, the description, and apply as soon as possible. And yes, that's it. Like this video, share this with your friends if you love our content, and also subscribe to our channel for the more if you haven't subscribed till now, because it motivates us to bring for you a wonderful job opportunity daily. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.